Hey everyone, I'm Andrei from Kiravo, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase the WordPress memory limit. The WordPress memory limit is the maximum memory that WordPress can use to execute scripts and handle requests. So to increase the WordPress memory limit, you must add the following code in your wp-config.php file. Define WP memory limit and the value. Let's copy this. Now log in to our control panel, go to websites, click on your website, then go to files, double click public HTML, then click the WP config file. Okay, scroll down until you see this line, add any custom values between this line and the stop editing line. So click here and paste the code. Now click save and close. That's it. That's how you increase the WordPress memory limit.